Hi everyone. Today we want to talk about the new rules of AML or anti-money laundering. I've had a lot of questions presented to me from clients and also a lot of brokers. So I wanted to get expert advice, and Tina's going to tell us all there is to know and what you have to prepare for. Tina?
Good morning, everybody. AML, Fintrac, those are all tools to really protect our clients,
Yeah.
protect the industry. And so something for the brokers to know, something for the clients to know. So for the mortgage agents, mortgage broker, and you know what? Even real estate agents to know. We need to properly educate our clients. AML, what is AML? Anti-money laundering. That's a protection for our clients, our protection for our industry, our protection for the lenders. And what we should be doing, we should really be educating our clients. If you have the source of funds coming from several different accounts, like you may be having it into a checking account and a saving account and your wife's account and your account, then we should be doing our due diligence, educating our client. We need 90-day history. The lenders need to follow the money. They need 90-day history of wherever the funds are coming from.
Mm-hmm.
And anything over an amount of, with some lenders, $1,500, some other lenders, $2,000, anything over that amount, we need to know, what is this? Hey, I had a lender that sold hockey cards, and he had these 3,800, 2,900, and I had to explain it. But the lender was the client was so good. He took pictures of what he was selling and posting it on the site that he went on.
Oh, wow.
And so I had to submit all that to the lender.
Wow.
And they were fine with it because they were able to follow.
Mm-hmm.
They went on his Facebook and saw that he posted. So all they want to know is that it's legitimate, really.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's all they want to know. But if we educate our client ahead of time, and maybe even the realtors, your contacts, your realtors, even before they put an offer and say, hey, if you're moving money from one account to another, make sure you take a good snapshot of what you're doing. So we're preparing the road for the mortgage agent, mortgage broker, and then it's a smooth ride.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Because then everything makes sense to the lenders.
Exactly.
Right?
So basically what they want to know is where the money is coming from. It's coming from legitimate sources. And frankly, if it is coming from legitimate sources, then it should have a track.
A proper flow.
Yeah, a proper flow. And it's easier for everybody to understand, and it's easier for everybody to explain as well. And that's pretty much all AML is. All the banks have their own department, AML department. So after we are broker complete, the AML department has to give their stamp of approval as well.
And some lenders before.
Yeah, some
different
lenders
do it at different time. Some lenders before. Some lenders just do it at an audited kind of point. They just pick this file out of the blue and say, oh, let me audit this file.
Yeah.
And if there's some large amounts being moved or being deposited, they need to know. So we better do the due diligence of that anti-money laundering process prior to the lenders stopping the file, and we waste time, and you got to get an extension. We don't want to get into that nightmare.
Yeah, it's actually a nightmare. Yeah. We experienced it on our last file pretty much.
Because anti-money laundering, the AML, was introduced now in January. And so everybody's sort of like, okay, how do we do with this? How do we deal with it, right?
It's stressful.
It's
stressful.
And we all learned a lot.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So folks, if you have any questions about AML, if you have any concerns, ask your mortgage broker or call us. And we should be able to, now with all the experience that we've gained in the last couple of weeks, we should be able to answer most of your questions.
Yes, yes. And then there's the Fintrac form. That too came into effect.
Yeah.
That too is a new piece.
ID verification.
It's an ID verification. And I know some of the clients are saying, I've never had to do this. You're right. This is new. And what is this piece do for you? It's actually protecting you. It's protecting you against ID theft, and it's the lenders making sure that the person we are dealing with is the exact person. So be patient. Those are all tools that lenders, banks are putting to place to protect you, Mr. Client. In fact, you know what, guys? The lawyers have been doing it for quite some time,
Yeah.
and banks have been doing it for quite some time. So broker services is just jumping on board and doing the same thing. So
Very
we've
true.
got the AML and we've got
The Fintrac.
the Fintrac, all in protection of the client and the industry.
Yeah. Thank you so much. If
Thank
you have
you
any
again.
questions, shoot me a DM
Yeah.
or send me an email.
Give us a call.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.